Memphis' own Pooh Shiesty, born Lontrell Donnell Williams Jr., just walked out of federal prison early in October 2025 after serving about 3 years of a 5-year-plus sentence for federal firearm conspiracy charges. That's right, now outside and well, Pooh's popping out to reclaim his throne. And what a better way to reboot the flex than rolling up in a fully curated fleet drenched in satin rose gold with the sharpest black accents? That's exactly what we're breaking down today, ranking the entire collection from bottom to number 1. Starting off the list with something futuristic and disruptive, the Tesla Cybertruck. Now, some people might laugh at the Cybertruck flex. I mean, I do. But Pooh's version is not your everyday EV. Wrapped in a custom satin rose gold film, this beast turns the industrial shape into a slightly cleaner look. The matte black hood cuts against the rose gold like the ink on paper, brings serious contrast and attitude. This ain't just eco-friendly, it's usually trash, but this ain't that horrific. Looking like it rolled out of some sci-fi trap video. Yeah, it's last though, so let's not dream. 7th rank. In a sea of chrome, Pooh chose rose gold, and that tells you he's playing his own game, not yours. Next up, the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, the muscle monster with family boy energy, mean enough for the block and comfy enough for the squad. Slapped with a satin rose gold wrap and contrasting black hood, this Hellcat growls with authority, but attends the cookout like it belongs. Under that sculpted sheet metal is a supercharged engine ready to purr or roar. And visually, that rose gold paint job says AP not only on the wrist. It's perfect for street shots, parking lot pulls, and that I'm back Instagram moment. 6th place for the Rango. Sitting solidly in the middle of the list is the Lamborghini Urus, the SUV for bosses who want supercharged energy with everyday usability. Draped in luxurious satin rose gold with a serious black hood, this Urus is the kind of whip that make people stop dead in their tracks. The contrast of that black hood gives the rich rose gold tone punch and presence, like the Lambo is dressed for red carpet and block party at the same time. The Urus is fast, flashy, and aggressive while still being comfortable behind the wheel. An exotic SUV that smokes most of the vehicles on the road. 5th spot, baby. Now we're talking royalty on wheels. The Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 sits at number 4. Why? Because it's pure glamour. And damn those comfy seats at the back.
Which one have you got the top in the most?
Man, I'm in the team. Maybach truck.
Oh,
yeah, hydraulic.
Oh, the Maybach truck got the hydraulics.
From the candy-like rose gold sheen to the deep black accents, this Maybach is like a tailored suit on 4 wheels. Reserved, yet loud when it needs to be, you feel me? Perfect for pull-ups to bookends, premieres, family dinners, or just cruising through the city with music bumping. It represents Pooh's growth, grown man flex, elevated life. 4th place for the back truck, baby. Coming in at number 3, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. It hits different, especially when it's wrapped head to toe in satin rose gold with custom gloss black wheels that make it look like it's sprinting while it's parked. This thing blends raw American muscle with sophisticated finish. The Trackhawk's V8 snarls through the streets in suits, and that rose gold wraps make sure every inch is seen. The custom wheels, they're not just blinging, they're finishing the whole look, giving it that signature Pooh flair. Tough but refined, loud but elegant. Now this ride represents that transition phase. Still street, but packaged with finesse. 3rd rank for that Hawk, baby. Okay, now let's move on to the supercars now. Now y'all remember when Pooh was involved in that 2020 Miami shootout, right? He was with his rumored neon yellow McLaren 570S, the most Miami car ever. Now in that same era, he also had a dark orange Corvette C8 Stingray. Today's different though. At number 2, the Ferrari F8 Tributo. But not just any Ferrari, whose is wrapped in, yo, you're not gonna guess, satin rose gold with pinstripes inspired by Pista racing livery, giving it race-ready flair and street swagger all in one. This F8 is not muted, it's intense. That rose gold finish glows on the city lights. The racing stripes bring heritage and urgency, like it's about to launch off every red light, yo. Now this whip ain't just about beauty, it's about performance, history, and presence. It sits in the runner-up spot because it's almost untouchable as it is exotic, yet still can't outshine
Look at the McLaren, nigga.
Favorite car.
the first spot. Now, let's get into that actually, y'all. And here it is, the McLaren Artura at number 1. Now, when you talk about ultimate return energy, Peyton Hill's energy, I'm back energy, yo, this is that ride. Fully wrapped in satin rose gold from nose to tail. No half measures, no filler, just that full glow up. Pooh's actually the only rapper with an Artura, making it even cooler. The McLaren Artura is a high-performance plug-in hybrid supercar, representing a new era of electrification for the McGlizzy. It effectively replaces the previous entry-level sports series range of cars. Now think of it as McLaren's own version of the Ferrari 296 GTB, whose own is hella clean. Satin rose gold, orange brake calipers, beige mirrors, and white front lip. This car is the centerpiece of Pooh's rose gold fleet because it's exotic, it's new, and barely no one has it yet. First place to the Artura. Now when these rides roll up together, it's more than a car collection. It's a statement of survival, resilience, and of course, boss mode. There's a bunch of rappers that did one-colored fleets. You got Huncho with the all red, Key Glock had done the all yellow, Dolph had the all camo, Moneybag Yo went all white, and now Pooh Shiesty's going all rose gold. Estimated values on these whips? They range deep. You got the Cybertruck cool futuristic piece, the Hellcat and Trackhawk thump and muscle, the Urus and Maybach in that Lux lane, and the exotic supercars, the Ferrari and the McLaren, pushing the total collection well into the millions of dollars. But beyond the price tags though, this fleet is about identity and a strong comeback. A man who did time, held his name down, and stepped back into the world with honor. That's the real flex. Thanks y'all so much for watching. If y'all want to see another rapper's dope cars, be sure to tune into Lil Uzi Vert's latest car collection, yo. You got some heat. Peace, fam, and as always, drive safe.
How you feel though? Like how you genuinely feel being home?
Man, it's like the best I ever felt before, you know? It's an unexplainable feeling, but feel good though. Like, feel good, I'm back.